Hi there, welcome to our channel. And if you want to verify your YouTube channel without your phone number, then this video is for you. Actually, you just need to open your channel here. Then you can simply click on the settings button here, and simply go to the channel. And feature eligibility will show you three type of features. That are first one is standard feature, second is intermediate features, and third one is advanced features. So the first feature will be enabled as soon as you create a new channel. This is actually one of my new channel here. So the intermediate feature is, you can simply click on it, and from this intermediate feature you will find, if you want to enjoy or get eligible for this or enable these intermediate features on your channel, then you have to verify your phone number. But if you don't want to use your phone number, then there's a platform that you can use, is freephone.io, where you can purchase the premium feature of this platform, or otherwise you can select a country from here, like United States here. So there is 60 numbers available to use and get SMS. This is actually a temporary number that you can use, but remember that there is a caution for you. Using a temporary number could be a hassle for you, so it could be a risk for your channel. So make sure that you have used your actual phone number, and YouTube actually required you to use your phone number. There is no another way to verify or enable these intermediate features and jump into the advanced feature without verifying phone number. You must need to enter a phone number first. So for that you have to open the freephone.io. Let me open it. And here you can see I have just opened this, and from here you'll find different types of number that you can use. Make sure that the number is online. Don't use this offline number, so you can get actually the code from YouTube. So I'm going to select this number here. Now this is the copy button here, so I'm going to simply click on copy, and you just need to click on verify phone number. I repeat that you must need to avoid these temporary numbers to use. But if you for any reason you actually can't use your number, or you don't want to use your number, then you can just go with these numbers, because sometimes these numbers get offline, so you actually can't get any type of verification code if you want. So from here you can just simply select your country, and then you can enter that number from here and simply click on next, and make sure that you have selected that text me the verification code, and it will send the verification code to your inbox, and you will get the verification code from here. Then you can simply copy that code and paste that code in this verification section. After completing verification, you can simply verify your YouTube channel, and you can enable this second feature, intermediate feature, on your YouTube channel. That's all. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.